Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samira. Please give this video more watch time, subscribe, like and comment. You can also share it with your friends, your family members. Please ask them to also watch this particular tutorial down to the end. Kindly turn the notification bell to get notified to see my next video whenever I upload new one. Okay, on today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to cut and sew front designer Bubu dress for women. To make this, I will be needing 2 yards of Duchess fabric, black Duchess, half yard of it. So guys, if this is what you like watching, please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end so that you'll be able to understand what we are going to cut and sew today, so that you'll be able to cut and sew this particular style that we are doing today by yourself. So let's dive into today's tutorial. This is my 2 yards of Duchess fabric, and this is the other one that I'm going to also use to make the front design. So is a half yard of it, please. So it's a Duchess fabric also. So this is what we'll be needing for our tutorial today. So let me spread it so that we can get started now with our tutorial. It's all cut together, so I'm going to cut the front piece and the back piece together. So I'll draw a straight line for me to start with my measurement. So I'm starting with my width measurements by 18 inch. Okay, it's into 4 pieces because I'm cutting the front piece and the back piece together. So I'll go ahead to take the length of my Bubu dress that I'm making today, which is by 56 inch. Okay, so that's the length, and it's by 56 inch for the length measurement. My neckline is by 4 inch, while the depth of my neckline I'm going by 7 inch. So I'll just give a line for that. For the back neckline, I'm going to mark 2 inch. Then I'll give a curve. Okay. For my shoulder, I'm going to mark 9 inch. So that's where my sleeve is going to form. And the shoulder, I'm going to slope it by 1 inch. Then I'll give a curve. Guys, on the line, that is on that line that I marked 9 inch, so I'm going to measure 17 inch. So that was what I was pointing out. Okay. On my shoulder, I will also mark 14 inch. And that's where I'm going to shape it a bit. So on that line I marked 14 inch. I will also mark 16 inch again. Then I'll connect all the marks. Alright. So please guys, keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end. Okay. So you can see how simple it is for you to cut and sew this particular style that we are making today. So I'm trying to cross check the measurement. Okay, so guys, you can give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch and also learn from it. You can also give this video more watch time. Alright, so you can also share it with your loved ones. Please also ask them to watch this particular tutorial down to the end, and if you don't understand it, please kindly watch it again so that you'll be able to understand it more better, so that you'll be able to cut and sew this particular style that we are cutting today. So I'm done with my measurement. Okay, so I'll just go ahead to cut it out. Alright, so I want you to tell me your favorite parts on this video that you are watching now. Please, you can drop that on the comment section. Okay, and if you want to request for a particular style that you want me to make to teach, you can also drop it on the comment section. I'm here for you guys, so I'm going to respond also. And you can also watch other tutorials on my channel that I have already, so you can also watch the style that I have already. So guys, don't forget this particular style we are making today. It's very unique style, and we are going to also learn how to cut and sew the design that we are going to sew on top of the neckline. So I'm going to also teach you guys how to go about it. Don't forget that we are making use of 2 yards of Duchess fabric, the pink fabric, and the black Duchess is half here. So I want to pull out the front neckline. It's going to have V shape in the front, so I want to cut it out now. And the style that we are making today is front designer Bubu dress for women. It's a unique style and it's a trendy style, so you should learn how to cut and sew this particular style that we are making today. So just keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end. That's the only way you'll be able to understand it more better, and you'll be able to cut and sew it by yourself. And don't forget that we are cutting the front piece and the back piece all together today. To cut the front design, I will fold the black fabric and lay the pink fabric neckline on it. Okay, so this is how to go about it when cutting the front design. Okay, you can see how simple it is. All you need to do is for you to lay the black fabric first, then you lay the neckline of the pink fabric that we already cut out. The neckline is a V shape in the front, so you just lay it on the black fabric as you can see me doing on the video. So this is how you can cut the front design. So I'm trying to place it well. So I'll go ahead now I'm trying to also place it well because I don't want to shorten the neck design. So I'll just follow the neckline, the V shape, and use my scissors to cut it out. Okay, so you can see how simple it is for you to cut this particular style that we are making today. And this particular neckline, I have the tutorial already on my channel, so I'm going to mark 3.5 inch for the width. So I'll go ahead now to take the length, and it's by 15 inch. So this is how to go about it when making your own. So I'm trying to check it out. So I'll just give a straight line. So I'm using my chalk to show you guys how to cut it out. So just use your scissors to cut it out. So I'm going to also spread it for you to see the shape that is going to come out after taking the measurement. So guys, why not subscribe now to my channel so you can see how it is. So this is how we are going to place it on the pink fabric. We are going to place it on the pink fabric neckline and sew it gently. That's what I'm showing you guys. This is the black that I'm going to use to extend the length of my sleeve. So the width is by 3 inch. Okay, so after cutting it, I'm going to fold it into two because it's going to appear on the right hand of the sleeve and on the left hand of the sleeve. So after cutting it into two, so it's going to be each of them is going to be 1.5 inch. So I'm going to show you guys this how to fold it. Just run your stitch neatly on it, then we attach it to the sleeve to extend the length of my sleeve. So you can see that I've stitched the front design. You can see how neat it is. So you just stitch it neatly so that the style can come out well. So this is what I have now. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any question contribution, please you can place it on the comment section. Please give this video more watch time, subscribe, comment, and also share it with your family members, and please ask them to also watch this particular tutorial down to the end, and please turn on notification bell to get notified to see my next video. Whenever I upload new one, you'll be the first to see it, to watch, and also learn from it. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.